Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays episode 259. And this is going to be a super duper quick one today. It's the 1st of April and I couldn't think of anything to do for April Fool's Day. So I can't think of anything. So just have a good day. Hopefully nobody will pull a trick on you today. Eric is usually pretty tricky, so I'm sure he'll come up with something. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome so much. So if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, and I would also love for you to let me know where you're viewing from. If you are watching the video premiere, I'm in the chat room, so head on over there. That's where I'll be with my friends, and we can chit-chat. If you are watching the replay and you have a comment or a question, leave it below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. So yeah, so this is a new month, and there's some big changes coming in regards to host codes. There's no more host codes. Well, I think there is for maybe the first week or so in April, but I'm not making any more host codes, so March was the last for those. So you want to make sure if you do have your reward, your sunflower rewards form, if you have it filled, if you've got your dozen sunflowers, you need to redeem those by the end of April, because if you go past April, then they will expire. So you want to make sure you keep track of those. And so I think that was all I wanted to talk about before I spin my camera, because I'm going to show you the mini masterpiece for April, as well as there's 3 new kits that are available. So all sorts of stuff going on. All right, so I'm gonna spin my camera. So close your eyes just for a second while I do that. Let's go over the new kits that are in April. And so we have at least 2, but this is like maybe the second month or whatever. We've had 3. All right, so first there is the Essential Occasion Kit, and I'm hoping I have the right item code number. If not, what I always do is, and then yesterday I'm like pointing up to the corner of my screen, and I had totally forgot to put my my website up there. But anyways, that's where it usually should be up there. And if you always wanted to know like where certain things are in my store, you can go into the search and just put the name, and then things will come up, because I think these are the item codes. But anyway, so this is Essential Occasion, which is a super fun one. Now this is a non-stamping kit, so it's basically just putting them together. So you can mix and match. Maybe you have somebody that likes seashells, or not the seashells, what are these? These are oranges, and you want to change it to happy birthday. Just mix and match them, but it is really fun. So it's got some leaves, some parties things. So I don't have these kits yet because they are brand new today. And then we have the Loveliest Wishes. So I will be ordering these, and then I can show them to you. But this one's a little hard to see in the picture, but this is there's like a daisy. It looks really, really elegant. It almost looks like there may be some vellum involved, but like I said, I haven't got these yet, but I just want you to be aware of there's some new kits you can get. And then the paper bouquet. Look how fun this one is. So you're going to make all of these pretty flowers, and then you can put it in a vase of your choosing. But is that not fun? I can hardly wait to make that. All right, and then the mini masterpiece. So when you order 75 before tax and shipping with me in each month, I have a little mini masterpiece. Now this is the March one, so I've been busy making these. So if you earned one of these in March, this is the cute little one that you're going to be getting. And what I'll do is I will put it in your thank you card for the month, and those usually go out the first week and a half of the following month because I make them all at one time. So that was the March. But look at the fun one you can earn in April. Is that not the cutest little? So this is, I've been pulling out some of my old stamp sets because I love making these, and it's even more fun for me if I can pull out something, you know, that's retired that I haven't played with in a while. And I thought this one was perfect with spring coming. The cute little, the little hat on the stand. So if you order 75 before tax and shipping in the month of April, I will send you this with your thank you card. And again, that will come the first week or so of May. And I just love how that turned out. But that's it. That is all I wanted to talk about. All right, so let me say, see you later. So what was that? Not even 10 minutes. That is a quick one. But they can't all be long. But I did want to pop in there and let you know those kits and the new mini masterpiece. And if you have any questions in regards to the new awards coming up in April, just holler at me. It's awesome. I'm so excited for the new awards program that Stampin' Up is going to be offering, that everybody will be getting rewards based on your order. I think you have to order at least 20 in the States to get a reward code that you use on your next order. So to me, it reminds me of, like, we go over to Dairy Queen, I give them my phone number, and then I get points, and then eventually I get a free blizzard. So it's kind of the same idea, right? Like reward points. So you want to make sure that you have your email in there, and it's a correct email, because that's where the code will go, and that's also how it will recognize you. So if you have any questions, holler at me. But I think that's all I wanted to blabber about right now. But like I said, if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Otherwise, I will see you Friday for my Dies shorts, and that will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. And hope maybe I don't know if I'll have anything new to show you or not. I'm trying to think what I have coming to me in the mail. Oh, all right. So I'm going to stop blabbing. I will see you Friday. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye for now.